today's experiment, we will learn on the different kinds of forces. First, weak force.
Wait lang.
The distance that it reached is 39 centimeters. Next, a much stronger force. The distance that it reached is 88 centimeters. And lastly, the strongest force. The distance that it reached is 111 centimeters. In today's experiment, our objective was to describe the different kinds of forces. There are different kinds of forces, weak and strong ones. We learned that in today's experiment that there are different kinds of force depending on the force you apply. Now we will do the hang and pull experiment. The materials that are needed for this experiment are 3 padlocks, a hook with rubber band, and a ruler to measure the length. The length of the rubber band is 80 centimeters. And now I will put another padlock. The length of the padlock now is 140 centimeters. Now I will put the last padlock. The length of the rubber band is 180 centimeters. In this experiment, we can learn that the more weight that you put, the longer the rubber band stretch.